लुक के बारे में हम लोगों ने काफ़ी रिसर्च की, हम लोगों ने काफ़ी बातचीत की। पहले हम लोगों को लगा कि थोड़ा सा फॉर्मल होना चाहिए, फिर हम लोगों को लगा कि थोड़ा सा सेमी फॉर्मल होना चाहिए, इट शुड नॉट लुक एक्सट्रीमली फॉर्मल। तो उस हिसाब से अलग अलग लुक्स को हम लोगों ने एक साथ करके एक लोकेशन पर शूट किया, जहाँ पर अनेक कोने में जो भी कोना हमें सही लगा लुक के हिसाब से, बैकग्राउंड के हिसाब से, हम लोगों ने एक्सपेरिमेंट करने की कोशिश की। जब आप मैगज़ीन देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कुछ कैजुअल भी है, कुछ सेमी कैजुअल भी है, कुछ सस्पेंडर्स वाला भी है। तो द होल थिंग वाज टू बेसिकली ट्राई एंड एक्सप्लोर facets of even my personality through the shoot. Yeah, the thing is that when that scene was written, I'd asked the writers, where did you draw inspiration from? And they said once they peeped into Siddharth Kanan's wardrobe, and when they were looking through his wardrobe where he keeps his innerwear, they saw this really fancy looking underwear with Siddharth's face on it popping out. And they said, you know what, that's how the scene was written. I said, that's fantastic. So that's a really dear friend of mine. I don't want to offend his sensitivities. I said, no, he'll really like it. So he was completely my inspiration.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I lost an underwear when the shooting was going on. Now I know who was wearing it.
And we have compensated. We'll give him 10 in return for it. With different things on it. You know, I think this is one film where I'm not trying to be diplomatic, but all of us had equal parts. And it's not for any of us to judge who's the best. It's for you guys to judge. And we're not really looking for judgment also. We're looking for the makers of this film who had put so much of conviction behind doing a subject like this so convincingly, especially the director, Mr. Indra Kumar, who made all three of us believe that this film is going to be a blockbuster. And all through the making, we were extremely apprehensive. But he said, no, this film is going to touch 100 crores, and we used to laugh at him. He said, there's no way this film is going to touch 100 crores. He said, you watch, this film will hit 100 crores. This is the first adult film to reach the 100 crore space. And today when we look back, we just marvel at him and say, sir, you're just unbelievable. So we don't really look at it as who's the best. This was our intention behind making the film, and focusing on just that. So like I said, it's up to you. And the fact that everybody's loved the film just clearly shows that there's no one really better than each other. Everyone is the same, and the film itself is what needs to be appreciated. I think if it gets me more covers of magazines, I don't think so. No, I think every film is to be treated on its merit. Every film that is made and I'm part of, whether it's a solo starrer or a multi-starrer, is made in a certain budget, and my only focus will be to make sure that the film is economically viable for the makers or for the people who are putting in the money, and the film becomes a success in relation to the money they have spent. So that would be my only area of concern. The rest is, I mean, it's of course, personal appreciation or personal criticism comes. It feels gratifying, it feels great. I feel very happy to be chosen to feature on this month's Mandate cover. I thank Mr. Hira, I thank Yuvraj, the editor, and I thank the entire team of Mandate for featuring me. This is, it's a great moment for me because to celebrate the success of Grandmasti and to, of course, discover a few more facets of my personality. So it's a wonderful opportunity for me, and I'm humbled.